And I'm one of the many TLCA youth coordinators that helped put together this show. I'm currently a sophomore at Columbia University, majoring in biology with a concentration in South Asian studies.
Hi everybody, my name is Navya Valeti and I'm also a TLCA youth coordinator. I'm a rising sophomore at NYIT in the 7-year BSCO program. So how's everyone doing today? I think you can do a little better than that. Come on. Awesome. We're extremely excited to see that so many people came out to support us and to our cause. As most of you may already know, all proceeds of this evening's program will be donated to Health Foundation Incorporated.
Health Foundation is a not-for-profit organization that has been serving orphans and destitute children in 7 orphanages in India for the past 20 years. As members of TLCA Youth, we felt very moved when we heard about the work Health Foundation does, and we thought it was our time to do our share in their work.
So we came together and combined 2 of our group's favorite hobbies, performing and serving others. Only fewer than 3 months ago, we got the idea for this program. In the short time we had, it has been a crazy days of planning, fundraising, and practicing for this show. So we can assure you, you're in for a real treat tonight.
So now, without further ado, it is our pleasure to introduce your Masters of Ceremonies for the evening. If you've seen TLCA Youth and action before, you'll definitely know who I'm talking about here. But let's see if you can all take a guess. Our first MC for tonight is currently a rising sophomore in the 8-year medical program at the York College of Pennsylvania. He loves playing soccer, and you'll always have a great time discussing the most recent episode of Game of Thrones with him. Any guesses?
Abhi!
Here's Abhi Kudarwandi.
So our second host of the evening is another familiar youth face. Let's see if you can guess who it is. This recent graduate of Hicksville High School will be a freshman at Baruch College. His academic interests include economics and finance, and his favorite hobby is playing and listening to music. I also hear he's an exquisite tennis player. So if you guessed right, which you did, be sure Dalton Raju is our second.
Hey guys, how's everyone doing tonight? I want to thank you all for coming to our program and supporting our efforts. This is the first ever program completely compiled by TLCA Youth. This evening would not have been possible without the support of the Telugu Literary and Cultural Association.
As our parent organization, they've been tremendously helpful in providing us with the freedom to be able to organize this entire event by ourselves, TLCA Youth. We also want to express our gratitude to the Health Foundation for their service to the underprivileged youth. We're honored to be part of such a great cause.
There are also a few individuals we want to thank for their guidance and unwavering support. Mrs. Roja Tapi,
Mrs. Salaja Kalba,
Mrs. Radha Goladi.
we also want to thank Kevin Burke, the coordinator with PS 115, who provided us with such an amazing venue this afternoon.
Last but definitely not the least, we need to recognize all of the donors who have contributed generously to our cause. On behalf of TLCAU, we wholeheartedly thank you.
And before we go any further, I was just asked to announce the emergency exits, just in the event there is something. There's two to the back and there's two to the sides. So you guys know. And without further ado, we'd like to start off with an intro video by TLCAU.
Please have a look at the screen right here and here. Thank you.